Finally, this is a very difficult speech because the first thing that come to my mind is why I'm here and why I'm applying. And I finding in my mind I can't to find a lot of reasons. My ISEC experience, my ISEC projections, and other lot of things. But the real reason uh, for my application and for my desire to apply is the passion of a person as me, totally committed with ISEC and with the ISEC way. And I bring to you